Hey Syndicate members, Akil here, and welcome to tonight's video. I'm so glad that we've got the desktop software up and running. I've seen you guys in it, and it's made life a lot easier for me, and I'm sure it's done the same for Jason. And understand that we come across a lot of valid trade ideas during the day, and if you're one of my live room members, you know how many we come up with just within the 3 hours of the live room. However, because they're on lower time frames, maybe range bar charts or 15-minute charts, and even on the hourly charts, there's just not enough time to find it, do analysis, and then record a video and email it to you guys, while we're actually trying to trade at the same time. So having this platform where I can just take a picture of the chart, I can put it in and let you guys know what the idea is, and you guys can receive it in just a snap of the fingers is been great. And for the few traders that I talk to on a regular basis, I've got nothing but a great response. So I'm glad you guys are enjoying it, and it's only going to get better from here. Now in tonight's video, I did want to go over a few trades. First, we're going to take a look at the Euro-dollar Gartley pattern that I just posted a few minutes ago. Also going to take a look at Aussie dollar bat pattern that I posted this morning, and then I have a few structure-based trades. So getting away from the advanced patterns, a few structure-based trades on the yen pairs, looking at dollar yen, pound yen, and euro yen. So let's get these out to you really quick if I can find. I got too many charts up. Let's look at this one. There we go. 60-minute euro dollar. We have a 222 Gartley pattern. I'm looking at this as my anchor leg. Now it's not an impulse leg. We don't break previous structure, but an anchor leg here from X to A. And it would help if I got the right tool. So if I take my Fibonacci retracement from swing high to swing low right here, you'll see that I have a valid X to A. My B leg comes right into my 618 retracement. So X to A to B right here. As soon as I see the 618, that puts me on Gartley pattern alert. What do I need next? Well, I need my C leg to hit a 618 as well. Preferably come between the 618 and the 786. So if I take a Fibonacci extension, retracement, if I can get it right, there we go. You can tell it's nighttime. It's been a long day. Just got off the golf course and played pretty badly. So anyway, if I bring my 618, you see my Fibonacci retracement in, we come right back down to a 618 retracement as well, giving me a valid C leg. And what I'm looking for is for my D completion to complete right at this 786, and we should get a 127 Fibonacci extension from A to B, lining up right with that mark. And you can see we, boom, get it right on 30.79. So about 10 pips from where we're at right now. And this is the type of trade that, makes the platform all worth it. Excuse me, makes the platform worth it because with 10 pips away, by the time this video comes out to you guys, it may be completed, it may have rolled over, who knows. But being able to shoot it to you is I'm telling you, a lot easy. You don't know how happy I am. So anyway, the ABCD pattern completion is not gonna line up directly with it, but a little above. But we do have confluence right here for a Gartley pattern completion at 30.79. Of course, stops need to be above X. Refer to your trading plan for how you do stops, whether it's a set pip base or an ATR base. I have mine about, I think, 31.15 they're hiding at. And for targets, I'm taking a Fibonacci retracement from my A leg to my potential D leg, wherever this lands. If it pushes up, I'm going to drag it with it. But let's just say we complete perfectly right here at 30.79. I'm going to look for targets at about 30.47 and at the 618 about 30.24. Let's go over to Aussie dollar real quick on the 15, just to recap this morning's potential bat pattern. We've kind of stalled out on our way up there. Let's go to a 60-minute chart on this. For this bat pattern, I'm taking this smaller impulse leg right here, looking at the X to A. Now instead of coming into the 618, we're coming into our 50% retracement, which is going to put me on bat pattern alert. And the bats are pretty simple. X to A to B right here at the 50%. B to C, as long as we come to a 382 on the C leg, I'm fine with that. And looking for a completion up here at 92.63, which is going to be our 886. So same thing as far as targets go. I'm looking at 382 and 618 for target 1s and 2s. Stops above X. However, we're not going to be as protected with stops. You can see Aussie, even though we're above X, we're not above this higher structure level, and getting stops up here is just well, that's not going to give me a good risk reward ratio. Going back to euro, we have a much better level to put stops at because there's less structure in this immediate area. Now I'm on pound yen 4 hours, and there's two things I want to pay attention to. Just a reminder, there's a cipher pattern I brought up about a month ago. This is still valid. Looking at, I'm going to draw this out, looking at an X to A to B right here, B to C coming down, a CD completion up at the 786, which let's see where that's at. 786 is going to be about 52.70s. It looked like I might have drawn my fib on a little sloppy, but somewhere around that area, 52.71. But also a potential structure-based trade on the lower time frames. If we look at where pound's at right now, we're coming up really to test these structure highs, and you can see we've been battling this level a few times now. Looking 1, 2. If we zoom back here, you can see 3, 4. We can keep going back 5, 6, however many times. What I'm looking for is a potential double top at this structure area, and to do that, I'm going to go down to my hourly chart. And you can see hourly, we did go overbought right up here earlier today. Bring a little arrow to do that. What I'm looking for is a retest of this level. So a retest of 151.87s, the 152s, 152.05s, a retest of somewhere in that level. And to get some bearish divergence on the RSI, and I think it's a very low risk shorting opportunity. We have a very good structure level here, so stops only need to go above these highs, above 52.05. You know, maybe up here at 52.30, somewhere around there. And you can look for a potential rollover. If you bring a 382 in here, you can look for a potential rollover, probably back down into this 51 even handle, maybe a little above right here with structure. Looking at 51.36, but a 382 is going to come in right on our 51 even handle, 51.16 area. Either way you look at it, depending on where you take targets at, you know, you're still looking at a pretty good risk-reward ratio, getting more than a 2-to-1 on this trade. If we go to euro yen, euro yen's a little further off, similar.